everybody, welcome back. Today is Big Al's quick tip number 6, resealing the seams on your RV. Nobody likes it, nobody wants to do it, but I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it on this 2018 fiberglass body motorhome. Okay, let me show you what it looks like after 5 years. You can see how all this is cracked. There's a gap right there, and it's just discolored. There's mildew on it, and it's way past getting redone. So let me show you what all you're going to have to clean and recaulk on this RV to keep it from getting any water intrusion. All these corner caps right here will have to be done. These front caps will have to be done. This area right here where this piece goes over to this slide, that's going to have to be done. All along here, all of this, around all of your compartment doors. You can see right here how that's already starting to crack and peel away. All that has to come off. Now on the other side, I've already cleaned it, but it looked exactly the same way. And you can see how I've gotten rid of all that caulk all along here and cleaned it really well on every compartment. Right, even right there, that's just some paint right there. All of this has been cleaned. So this side is ready to be resealed. As you can see back here along this plastic transition strip, I've cleaned it all off. So it's all ready to be recaulked. But this is what it looks like here. How I get it off is using something like this, little plastic. This is actually a body tool, but it's got a nice little curve to it so you can use it in tight places. Be careful with one of these, but they do work well too. Just make sure it's not sharp. But this is actually the one I like to use the most. It's just a plastic putty knife. You basically just get up in here and grab that corner and just start working that up. Comes off pretty easy. It's sticky, it's a mess. Then once you get all that off, you can come back with a rag and use something like this adhesive remover, Goo Gone, or you can use Prep-All. You can use odorless mineral spirits, any of that to get it off and get it clean. Then when you're ready to caulk, you want to use something like this, ProFlex from Reseal. This is in clear and black is what I'm going to use today. You need a good caulk gun. What you want to do is cut this off at about a 20-degree angle, and less is better. So you just want to use a very small tip cut off here at 20 degrees when you apply it. And I'll show you how we do that next. Okay, now let me show you how easy it is to lay this down. 20-degree cut, the smallest hole you can make in the end of this ProFlex. And then we're going to just do all of this all the way down. So you want to start at that 20-degree angle, just gently squeeze it and pull. And you want to do this about 12 to 20 inches or so, and then you can stop. And then with a clean rag with a little bit of mineral spirits on there, you can just come right back and push that into the hole. All right, you just go all the way down. See how nice that looks? It's that easy, folks. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you folks. Until next time, safe travel.